Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. See, whatever difficulties come in life, we should not quit. Because what happens if you quit? The success might be there only nearby. If you cross that one line, you might be meeting the success. That is why we should not quit until we achieve success. Let me share you the story of two frogs. Because with the help of stories, we understand much better. So, what happened? Once there were two frogs. One was a big fat frog and another was a tiny frog. So the big fat frog and a lively little frog were hopping along together when they had the misfortune to jump straight into a pail of fresh milk, where they fell down into the pail of a fresh milk. They swam for hours and hours, hoping to get out somehow, but the sides of the pail were steep and slippery, and death seemed certain. So they were not able to come out. When the big frog was exhausted, he lost courage. There seemed no hope of rescue. Why keep struggling against the inevitable? I can't swim any longer, he moaned. Keep on, urged the little frog, who was still circling the pail. So they went on for a while, but the big frog decided it was no use. Little brother, we may as well give up, he said. I'm going to quit struggling. I'm stopping it, he said. Now only the little frog was left. He thought to himself, well, to give up is to be dead. So I will keep on swimming. See, very important line. To give up is to be dead. So I will keep on swimming. 2 more hours passed, and the tiny legs of the determined little frog were almost paralyzed with exhaustion. It seemed as if he could not keep moving for another minute. But then he thought of his dead friend and repeated, to give up is to be meat for someone's table. So I will keep on paddling until I die. If death is to come, but I will not cease trying while there is life, while there is hope. See, this determination we too should have. Now let us see what happens. Very interesting. Intoxicated with determination, the little frog kept on around and around the pail, chopping the milk into white waves. After a while, just as he felt completely numb and thought he was about to drown, he suddenly felt something solid under him. To his astonishment, he saw that he was resting on a lump of butter which he had churned by his insistent peddling. Because of his continuous peddling, the butter had been created. And so the successful little frog leaped out of the milk pail to freedom. What this story tells us? What happened to the frog which had left the hope? It died. Whereas the little frog decided, whatever, even if I quit, what will happen? I will become a meat to someone else, or I am going to die. Instead of that, let me try till there is life in me. So he continuously went on round and round, and the end we saw. Because of his moving around and around, there was butter, and he was on the lump of the butter. Who had created the butter? He himself, because he was moving round and round. And he was on the lump of the butter. That is why it became easy for him jump from that low. Or he leaped out of the milk pail and he got the freedom. Even the same is with us, my dear friends. Many times what happens is, we feel that everything is lost. Now nothing is remaining. You feel there is no way ahead. And you stop trying. If you stop, what will happen? You will be lost forever. Instead of that, if you continuously keep on trying and trying, your victory is 100%. 100%. That is why whether you should quit, no. We should not. Time may come when you may feel that you are lost. Nothing is there. Nothing is going to happen. You may feel everything is lost. Even then, don't lose the hope. Don't lose the hope. Because the victory line will be very, very near to you. Or you are near to the victory line. So don't quit. If we quit, we are lost. Over. There are no chances of winning. Instead of that, if you keep on trying, who knows? Success will be yours. So whatever it is, we have learned so many people. Thomas Alva Edison, before he was successful in the preparation of electric bulb, how many times he had failed in his attempt? 9,999. Whether he left? No. You are knowing George Washington. Or if you look at all the great people of the world, they had to toil hard for the success. Success you won't get within 2 minutes. It is not like Maggie, my dear friends. So you have to Work hard with honesty, with concentration, and with focus. If you do this, you will win. You will, I am telling, 100%. Acha, have a good day.